Hi guys, Constantine with Cos Bar. I'm here with Michelle today. We're going to do a little touch-up and 101 education on how to use the perfect cream blush. And one of my favorites is the Clé de Peau cream blush. For Michelle, we chose number 2. Number 2 is a perfect color for her complexion, her skin tone, her eye color. It's a really, really beautiful pink tone. It's going to complement all of her features really well. Small amount on the brush. Personal preference with this. You can go back and forth on the cheekbone, or you can go up and down. Another personal preference is how much you want to put on your face. Whether you like a bold look or a softer look, you can translate it however it's comfortable for yourself. So for Michelle, we're going to do a little bit of a softer look. I also don't like taking the blush color too far down on the apple of the cheek, because as Michelle has a beautiful, beautiful cheekbone line and face structure, it would just widen everything. So I do want to do something that's going to complement the actual shape of her face. Another quick and fun tidbit with this product, you can put it on your eyes, you can put it on your cheeks, you can put it on your lips. To do that, you can either use a brush or you can use your finger if you're taking this product with you and touching up throughout the day. Always use your ring finger for application around the eye because the eye is the most sensitive area of the face. Close your eye for me. Quick little pat. I start in the center of the eye because wherever you put that product first is where it's going to focus the most. And then a little bit on the other side. And since it's a cream blush, it may move around a little bit. That's okay. We want it to look as creamy as possible because it's going to allow the skin to look very, very fresh, very alive. To finish the look, we take a little bit of the lip color and just gently glide it across the lips. This can also be called a monochromatic look, but what I love about the concept of this is that now we're going to have a product that's going to complement all the features of her face just in one.